and I have absolutely no idea where this tornado is at, but it's pretty creepy shit. It's raining sideways, straight sideways, and yeah, it's creepy, very, very creepy. This is I'm getting wet now. This is tropical storm Lee, and as you can see, it's crazy. I'm up on the third floor building, third floor, story floor. Sorry, it's 6 o'clock in the morning. I'm tired. The van's down there, you can see it. And over there in the background, you can see the little lighthouse. Not lighthouse, but water tower. It has a little lighthouse thing on it. And then you can see King Hanger behind that. That's the flight line down there. That's part of the flight line. The end of the runway, really. And that's to the north. Well, no, to the west. So if any tornadoes were actually going to come, they would probably come from that direction. I hope that I can see it. That's the south over there. Don't know really what's over there. Over there, that's towards the Bayou, the Chow Hall and stuff like that. I'm incredibly hungry right now, but it doesn't open until 7. And that's a brick wall, but in that general direction is creepy. I got goosebumps and everything. Just got off the phone with my mom, and I said it sounds like banshees. Look, security forces, make sure everybody's off the road. Really getting on my nerves. I won't be able to go back to sleep now. But anyway, don't worry, Mom. I'll be safe. Not going anywhere. Regret it. Page won't let me anyway. Yeah. There was some serious lightning going on, but you can't see it now. Don't know why. Oh, there it goes.